how to create a TikTok avatar, and it's pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your TikTok is of the latest version. And once you do that, go ahead and open your TikTok app. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and tap the plus sign at the bottom row right there in the middle. And then next to the camera icon, you'll see effects on the left side, so tap on effects. And then tap the search bar right here at the black line. Once you do that, go ahead and type in avatar. And then scroll down. And then you'll see this TikTok avatars right here. So tap on TikTok avatars. And then if you want to use one of the ones that are just shown here, you can do that. But if you want to create a new one from scratch, press this new icon right here at the left side. So tap on this. And then you can just select one to start. So if you want a new one that doesn't have anything, just tap on the first option, or you can do. So here you can just select your skin tone, whatever you want, the type of hair you want. You can select the head, the type of head that you want, your brows, your eye color, nose, mouth, everything. So you can just go through this and just adjust it to your liking. And then once you do that, just tap done at the very top. You can go ahead and use the new avatar that you have just created. So you can just show your face and use it right away. So that's how you create a TikTok avatar. And if you want to know more about TikTok and want to know how to use TikTok templates, just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.